Sarura Kids.
Dog. Dog. Dogs are known as man's best friend. About 10,000 years ago, our ancestors, or Madzitate Guru Edu, managed to domesticate dogs. Domesticating dogs means that they managed to get them to stay with them and not run back into the wild. The closest relative to a dog is the grey wolf. There are so many different types of dogs. Big dogs, little dogs, hairy dogs, dogs with smooth, shiny coats. But apparently, the most popular dog in the world is the Labrador. We asked you what are the most common names of dogs in Zimbabwe, and you said Bingo, Buster, Rover, Boki, Spot. Did you know that dogs actually dream? Sometimes when a dog is dreaming, you'll see its tail wagging or you see it moving its legs. What do you think dogs dream about? Do you know you can actually tell how your dog is feeling when it wags its tail? When it's wagging to the right, it means that it's really happy to see you. Have you ever seen a dog with its tongue out, panting? Dogs do this when they're hot. Panting helps them to cool down by circulating air through their bodies. Drinking water also helps your dog to cool down. They just love water. Water's a great drink for both people and dogs. Have you ever seen a dog drinking water? Well, it drinks water the same way that a cat does. But do you know what dogs eat? Dogs are omnivores. People are omnivores too. So, can you guess what kinds of things a dog might like to eat? Well, dogs like to eat a variety of foods, just like us. They can eat meat, vegetables, and grains. They also love dog food, which is specially formulated for all of their needs. Just be careful though that you don't give your dog chocolate because their tummies really don't like it. It's a lovely treat for people, but not for dogs. It makes dogs very, very sick. Did you know that dogs love to bury bones or their favorite toys so they can use them in the future? Or even just dig them up so they can give them a good chewing later on. Now that's a great present to yourself, don't you think? Dogs have much more sensitive hearing than humans. They can hear over 10 times better than people can, and they also hear sounds that are much higher. Their sense of smell is also over 10,000 times stronger than a person's. Think about that next time you call your dog for its treat. Chances are it's already guessed what that treat is and it's wagging its tail happily. Dogs don't see color like we do. Instead, they see in mainly grey, blue, and yellow. Dogs are very intelligent animals. They learn new things very quickly and can be taught to sit, lie down, fetch, and go to the toilet outside. In fact, the average dog is as intelligent as a 2-year-old child. Dogs are very clever, and on a farm they can do different jobs. They can do jobs like chasing after the sheep or helping bring in the cows. And they're just great to have around while doing farm work. In Zimbabwe, you'll find dogs live in the yard or in kennels. A kennel is like a home for a dog. And usually the dogs in Zimbabwe bark really loud whenever someone comes into the yard. A baby dog is called a puppy. A mummy dog can give birth to up to 8 puppies at the same time. A puppy and his brothers and sisters that are born at the same time are called a litter. When these puppies are born, their eyes are sealed shut and they only open when they're around 10 to 14 days. And their hearing only develops at around 18 days old. So, just think about it. That's 2 weeks of not being able to see or hear anything, and just being able to feel your brothers and sisters looking for food just like you. And then there's another 4 days before you can hear all the beautiful sounds around you. So, little puppies really do need their mummies around for a little while. But eventually, they grow up to be lovely, healthy, happy dogs that can look after themselves. So that's the end of our lesson on dogs. We hope you really enjoyed it, and come back next time when we'll be teaching you about cows. See you next time. Muvanezwa rakanaka.